Baka.
Yes! Go!
Good morning, guys! And right now it is currently 4 something a.m. I'm up so early because I'm going to be meeting with my... Oh my gosh, it started raining. Okay, well anyways, I'll be meeting up with my friend Fiona and Ate Febby, and we'll be going to Infanta together. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. I hope we have a good time, and oh my gosh, this storm is so scary. I hope it's not super rainy in Infanta so that we can enjoy it. Anyways, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog.
This is Fiona, guys. Hi. Tapos ito yung mga cute nilang aso. Diyan. Isa yun yung puppy. Yung tourism, talagang kumuha sila ng gumagawa ng ang cute. Tapos yun, may suman. May suman. Cute. Ang cute ng merch nila dito, guys. Ang cute ng coconut.
We have arrived in Infanta, guys, and we're here in the Upgrade Beach Resort. So, ipipin ko na lang sa screen kung saan yung location niya and ano yung name niya. It's very nice here, guys. May beaches, tapos may mga rooms. Later, mag-room tour tayo.
I-tour ko na. Tara muna sir.
Sige.
Sige. Dali mo natin yung gamit.
Guys, may magic dito sa place. Maulan sa ibang part, pero dito hindi maulan. In fact, ang medyo sunny na cloudy, pero hindi umuulan.
We're gonna eat breakfast here. I think we're gonna eat lugaw later.
So, parang okay naman siya. Parang ano siya.
Guys, we got coconuts! Yay!
So, mag-start tayo dito.
Wow!
Yeah. Ito naman yung view deck. Cottage din po. Ito, bagong cottage.
Plus, ito po.
Ito, cottage din. I-offer natin yan pag okay na.
Okay.
Tapos ito naman yung beach hot water. Nakalagay din sa hot water. Ingat.
Kaya,
Tapos, dito yung mga activities. Dati nakatago yan. Recently, nilagay dito sa book para makita ng mga client na may activity and pwede niya lang i-try. Tapos may trampoline dun sa dulo. Ita-try natin yun pag tayo nag-swim later. Okay. Yun yung Aliyah. Katabing-katabi lang natin. Tapos yung Villa Rowan. Yun yung binubuong natin, yung Villa. Yung mga villa natin.
ito guys, meron silang ATV, there's banana boat and kayaks.
Tapos may
There's trampolines there.
Tapos yung
Wow.
ATV na yun, pang 2 tao. Pwede parang race car.
Okay, may pang
Pang 2
dalawa.
tao.
Gusto mo yan, Ate Febby?
Oh.
Yan. Very sunny, guys. It's currently 11 to 12. That's why the sun is scorching. Pero we'll be back here later. Mga 3:30. They have a pool area, guys. So, dito yung common CR, guys.
Doon na si CR.
Doon. Showers.
Shower area. And so, nakalock.
This is the bathroom. Okay, so ito naman yung resto, guys. This is where we ate kanina. This is one of the beachfront rooms. Ayan.
Tapos may kitchen.
Oh, there's a kitchen. May kitchen siya dyan sa side, guys. Tapos meron na rin dito ang convenience store. So you don't have to buy outside.
Ito, may pwede yung inner rooms. Yung magkakasunod. Ito, 1, 2.
Inner rooms.
Saan po yung pavilion? Common area. Waiting area din siya.
Waiting area.
Pavilion po ito. Ito yung alfresco na may video.
Ito yung convenience store, guys. May aircon dito, guys. May ice cream. Alin? Ay, ito po, take note daw. Yan, water station, guys. So you don't have to buy outside. Everything you need is here na. And then the other rooms are located here. Say hi, Ate Feli.
Parang ito yung parking area.
So this is the parking area, guys.
Yung cabin room.
Cabin room. Okay. Cute.
Cabin room.
May kitchen din dito, diba?
Yes, may kitchen. Ito naman yung cabin room.
Ayan.
Tapos may pwede yung kitchen. Katabi ng, yes, katabi lang nila. Kala ko yung iba malayo. Ano po, akala. Ay, yung CR. Kasi ito yung CR.
Ayun yung kitchen. Tapos CR is there.
Tapos dito naman, parking area ng mga ATV. Tapos mga construction.
Okay.
Tapos sa ASM na tayo. May di malayo.
Itong flowers.
Ito yung apartment na ginawang staycation. Bala may 4 doors dyan. And pinapa-extend.
Okay. Ito pala, guys. Meron pa silang staycation area. Yan. 3 minutes away lang. Through walking.
Tapos yung black.
So guys, this is where we're staying right now since occupied yung room dapat namin. Then my TV here, aircon. Tapos there's a bottom bunk. This is the top bunk. And the cool thing is, meron pa dito sa taas. Ayan. It looks very cozy, guys. Dami palang capacity ng room na to. So, ayun, super sulit dito. It's currently very sunny, even though it's like super rainy sa ibang areas right now. Like, especially in Caloocan or like Quezon City or something like that. Pero here in Infanta, it doesn't even rain. So, yeah, it's just cloudy. Later, we're gonna show you guys the activities from the tour. So, yeah, enjoy! Wow, look at this view, guys. And we're finally redirected to the room. And grabe, guys, I didn't expect this kind of room. Oh my gosh, it's the beachfront number 3. May mga hanger areas here. Tables you can set up. And then, this is the inside. May sliding door. Ganito siya, guys. Oh my gosh, ang laki. And si Ate Feby. Hi, Ate! May dalawang aircon, guys. Pwede niyo i-off yan if ever. Tapos ito yung CR. Grabe, glass door yung CR. Wow! Teka, on natin ilaw. Wow! Ang ganda, guys. It's Ito yung shower. Wow, ang ganda ng shower. Oh. Ayan. Okay, alis muna tayo sa CR. Grabe, ganda ng room, guys. This is BF3. Wow, the view. Ganda. Yun yung beach, guys. Oh. Grabe, ang daming kama dito, guys. Kaya na to, isang pang pamilya na to.
Ano siya, 10 packs.
10 packs to? Wow.
Sinar mo na ako.
Sige, go lang. Ang laki, guys, oh. We're gonna go out for lunch, guys. They said na they're preparing our lunch already, so we can go down na. So, after lunch, we might rest around like 3:30. We're gonna go down and try the ATV and then go swimming. And of course, I'll take you guys with me. Yeah, so we're gonna go down to lunch, guys. Ano sa tingin mo yung lunch natin?
Baka. Hindi ko kabisado yung price.
So, medyo na-delay yung activities namin kasi biglang umulan. Pero yeah, we're gonna go ATV now and we're going to swim soon. And also, nakalagay yung waterproof casing right now. So, if the sound is a little wonky, it's because of that. Or like, if you guys hear some kind of like movement, parang laging may change position, whatever, it's because of the case. But anyway, ayun guys, I'll take you with me. Are you ready? Are you ready, Ate Fed? Pawang fresh naman.
HM mo. Ay, wala palang A.
Naka 4x3 na. Para pwede kong gawing 16x9 or... So guys, this is the ATVs. Medyo umuulan ngayon. Yan. Powerpuff Girls. Ay, charot, di pala ako naka-blue.
Kasi yung banana boat tinutumba, wag na lang.
Oo,
Ala,
ba't tinutumba?
Hindi ganun po ang banana boat.
Hindi
Yun
yung
thrill,
banana
yun
boat
yung-
na kami dati, di kami tinutumba.
Hindi, sa Palawan, tinutumba for the trip.
Eh, dito tinutumba ka.
Ay, gusto na.
Wag!
Optional. For the
Kaya
trip.
Wow! Uy, ang warm ng tubig. Di tayo lalamigin.
Paano po magsagot?
Dito po ako. Okay.
Sakay-sakay ba tayo sasakay?
I think so. Wow! Okay. Don't let us sing. Punta ka kay Fiona. Hindi tayo. Wow, marunong na marunong. Sige nga, Ate Febs. Balik mo tayo sa shore, tapos ako magsasagwan. Hello?
Ay, sorry.
Okay lang. What happens kung ako yung magsagwan sa harap? Will that be bad?
Ay, bakit ganun?
Okay na. Yan. Tapos pag... Anong pinindot?
Eto.
Okay. Pag in-off naman yan sa harap.
Ganun.
nagsasagwan, guys. Ito pala ang life ng island. Sa island.
Island ate. Hindi ko man magsaguan. Ayun, si Miss Fiona. Ay.
Guys, pakita ko sa inyo ilalim ng dagat. May nakita ba kayo? Kasi ako wala. Ayan guys. So si Ate Feby naman yung nagsasaway. Or nag-row ng boat. We're going backwards. Eme. In-expose. I mean, this is your style, Ate Febs. Okay, I think we should go back. Yeah. Now we're in a banana boat. Yan. Hi kayo, guys.
Hi!
Yan. Guys, I'm kinda scared. First time ko sa harap ng banana boat. Medyo mabilis. Ayan sila. Wow, feeling very. Hi guys, Hi, wow. Thank you. How's the experience? Masaya. How's the experience? Yes, yes. It's so warm, Fiona. The water's so warm. No, don't say it that way. Yay. May glasses ako. Ba't ka pa? 1, 2, 3, go! Guys, ito yung safety net. Kasi takot ako and hindi ako marunong mag-swim. Di ata ako gumagalaw.
Padyak lang. Hi!
Gumagalaw ba ako?
Oo.
Gumagalaw pa rin ako? Talaga? Ito pala lumutang. Ito pala yung life. Parang ang close-up ko. Oh my gosh. Lalim na pala dito. Sige, balik na tayo dun. Lalim na pala. Malangoy ang aming mga sirena. Alam, marunong kayo mag-float ng ganyan. I cannot. Whoa, 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 whoa. This part's getting deep. I have Ate Feby shoes. Dapat hindi ako mawala. Kasi nasa akin yung shoes ni Ate Feby. Ano? Nasa 500 something? Ay, ahon na pala.
PM na? Ano ba?
There's a crab.
Ay, di ba nakakagat?
There's a crab. Pinatry kunin ni Fiona. Oh my gosh. Di ba yan masakit?
Hindi naman. Parang ipis lang.
Ipis.
Joke lang. Joke.
Nilalamig ako. Yan guys, kumusta naman kayo?
Actually, nagamit.
Ako rin nilalamig. Nauuhaw. I-rinse muna natin.
Yung commercial ng shampoo.
Dapat mag-rinse kayo after the beach. Kahit maliligo kayo. Para you can get the sand off.
Tanggal alat.
Tanggal alat. Yan. Showering. Kamusta?
Gutom.
Mga adjective tayo kanina ba?
Pagod. The boss.
Double. Ganito paggabi guys. Saya ng beach. This is our dinner guys. Guys, ang sarap ng food nila. Like, feel ko dito talaga ako tataba. Kami ngayon. Hi kayo. Hi kayo. Hindi ko ikakat yun. Ginawang payong. So kami guys, punta kami ng sea. Say hi Fiona. Ano, iwan natin sleepers natin. Wow! Wow! Ang sarap ng tubig, malamig. I mean, hindi naman super lamig, but you know. Yan guys, nakalagay ulit yung waterproof case ng camera. Tapos ganito siya, hindi pa siya super malalim. Okay dito yung yung beach guys para sa mga kids kasi kahit matagal na ako naglalakad, as you can see, malayo na ako. Hindi pa rin siya ganong kalalim. So, perfect for family bonding. Kasi yung trampoline guys. Oo. Parang mas malalim pa maghapon yung part dito. No? Pero ngayon, I can just stand on it. Pero actually malalim lang talaga. Ay, di pala malalim. Guys, tignan nyo, di malalim. For context, 4'11" lang ako. And hanggang bewang ko lang siya. So, carry ito for kids and for kayaking. Huwag kayo matakot. Pero depende rin sa alon kasi minsan mas mataas yung water. O, diba guys? Ate Fox, nagsiswimming. Nakamulo mo ba? Swimming. Ang init. Yung si Fiona. Protecting herself from the sun. Hi, Ate Fen.
Hello.
Sabay pa. Pagod.
Alam ko na may sabitalon ka dyan. Ha? Kasi may video ka.
Ay, oo. Video kita.
Ano na lang.
Oh! Oh! Kaya nga eh.
Yung gagel.
Suot mo ba? Wow!
Yung dalagang Pilipina.
Dalagang Pilipina. Oh! Oh! One, two, three! 1, 2. Yes! Kaya nga!
Wait nga. Ganyan lang.
Ay, hindi ko pa naman pala aalan saan. Hindi ko mahulog sa labas. Ay, oo. Basta wag lang
Pagod na ako. Ikaw naman.
Sige. Balat! So right now, we're gonna go naman sa pool, guys, since hindi pa namin natatry for day 2. Yan, we're just showering, guys, before we go to the pool. Yes! Ito, guys, ang kanilang swimming pool. Ganong ka-deep to?
4 lang.
4 feet.
Ulo-ulo mo lang. Ulo-ulo lang. Pwede mo na ihulog dito.
Uy! Hi guys. What do you think about upgrade?
Upgrade.
Beach resort.
Upgraded. Yes.
Ikaw at Teddy.
Good. Hindi lang ako nag-work. Ay, napunta na tayo sa mainit. 20 years of existence. Hindi lang siya natuto mag-float.
Guys, natuto na ako mag-float in my 20 years of living. Nakita ko sa inyo. Tapos nag-fail. Ano ba?
Okay, relax yourself. Give yourself into the water.
Yes.
Pag ano. Ang isa. Yan, unti-unti na siyang lumulutang.
So, sa araw. Sa araw. Okay. Yun guys, wala lang. Yan guys. So, we're done swimming in the pool. Tapos ngayon, babalik kami sa room just to take a bath. Take some cute pictures, you know. Actually, fix up ourselves and put makeup and stuff. And then, we're gonna eat and go home. Hi guys, so I just took a bath. And I'm just gonna do my makeup. This is how the outfit's looking like. Wait, let me put you guys here. The outfit's looking like. Courtesy to my sister for lending her like partner and this cover up as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my makeup and I'll be back. Hi guys! So ayun na nga. Nag-makeup na kami and this is my look. Ayan, ganyan lang siya guys. And this is the OOTD. Then I did everyone's makeup as well. Oh my gosh. Let me show you. Pwede sa beach and then sa storefront. Ito yung makeup ko kay Fiona, guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Ganda. Tapos ito naman kay Ate Febby.
Hi.
Yes.
Thanks to Julia.